All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Another special opening today. I just got this in from RV6, and this is the 10th generation R365 ball bearing red turbo. We have these on our site. I'll put a link below. That's going to give you a little bit better spool than the original ones from RV6, the other batch. This is the red, but shout out to RV6. I reached out to them the other day. We have our Honda Fit project that's going to be pretty much back together within a week, and I want to get it back, get everything going over, and then we're going to swap the turbo. We're going to throw on the red onto our Fit project. So they do have an 11th gen turbo in the works. I'm trying to see if we can test it on our 11th gen. But today is just going over this 10th generation RV6 aftermarket turbo. Let's get it unboxed. All right, so turbo out of the package. You have the RV6 stamp on there on the hot side. Looking into this tiny little turbo. We gotta be careful on ours because it's not the SI motor. It's actually the non-SI motor, so it's a little bit weaker rods. But I still think we're gonna try and aim for around 300 wheel and about 310, 320 torque maybe on E30. Comes with the hardware kit. For install, you get this beautiful turbo. It will also have, let's flip this over, the serial number, which is on top from RV6. So just want to thank Richard over there, RV6, for hooking us up with this. Definitely looking forward to swapping this turbo and getting the Fit to the track and hopefully run some, I don't know, maybe mid-11s on that car. It does weigh around 2,300 pounds. So if we can hit those horsepower goals and not throw a rod through the block, I think we'll be good. Anyways, I'll put a link below if you guys from the 10th gen are interested in a turbo. 11th gen guys, keep an eye out because they will have a turbo coming soon, and hopefully we can test it. I'm sure Derek at IMW is going to probably get the first one so he can do all the testing with tuning, but maybe they'll use our car. Well, I hope everyone has a good Super Bowl today. Stay safe, and we look forward to getting some orders in. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.